This is going to be the underlying, the premise of my videos forevermore. Premise of my videos, titled SSDE, same shit, different evening. Usually people say SSDD, same shit, different day, same shit, different evening. This is going to be the premise. I think Santa Claus was nice and bought me a present. It's going to be, oh God, it's a screwdriver. Screw my life. Screw this life. Like Leah Pepperoni said, Leah, I'm a slug in the mud. I'm a slug in the mud. Bum in the slum. It's rather interesting. Damn, I got some liver pain. Sorry, fucking me with my taxes, fucking me over on my taxes. I think I'm gonna go to another tax. I think I'm gonna go somewhere else next year to do my taxes. John's fucking me over. Does it to me every fucking year. God damn it. Fuck. Well, I'm about to talk to you guys here. Maybe I'll start a new video here. Or maybe I'll just finish this battery out in this one. He dings me every year. He dings me every fucking tax season. He told me I was going to get like $700 in one tax bracket in one job. My other job was supposed to get like $300 or $400. That's at least $1,000. He's saying I'm getting less than $600. What the fuck? I worked every fucking day last year, and then this year. Dude, I should be getting more than Alright, man. He's jacking me over. It says relationships. We all have our reasons. Love, support, pleasure, contentment, validation, even. I never had love, support, pleasure, contentment, validation. The only time I ever got support was when my dad helped me with homework when I was a kid growing up. I've never had pleasure by another person except when I get my hair cut because the girl's touching my head. And that's not even the pleasure I want. That's just petty pleasure, minimal pleasure, just on the surface. I shouldn't even mention that, but I don't even know what it's like to be in love. Validation, contentment. I don't get validation, contentment. Then she says, we all have our reasons: love, support, pleasure, contentment, and validation. Well, I must not fit in the human. I must not be a human being then, because we all have our reasons. Well, I never had those reasons, so that makes me something else besides a human being. But what if you are in a relationship that makes you feel absolutely opposite of all these emotions? I don't know what it's like to feel, because I've never been in a relationship, so I don't know what it's like. Relationships don't make you feel that you're never good enough. The only relationship I have is just with my fucking self, because I've been a fucking lone wolf, a loner, and so my whole life I've been a loner. I have a toxic relationship with John, but I don't know. So to tell me, he said I got $20,000 and I'm only gonna be left with 500 or 700 bullshit. Might as well throw it in his face. Okay, feeling sorry for all our victims of circumstance. Fuck the system. Fuck being slaves of the system. Fuck everything. I'm gonna get drunk. I'm gonna fucking chug this shit. My liver is gonna hate me, and my liver. I'm only getting $700 back. Piss on that. Piss on that shit. Ah, fuck. I don't understand. I fucking just don't understand. Look, guys, I go on this support fucking free chat group for mental support, and it turns me on. These people try to help me while I look at and fantasize of hot girls. I'm not going TMI. I'm not going further than that. That's too much info. But oh, fucking, I'm gonna forget about my fucking sorrow. I drink. Well, drink lately, man. I don't know. I can't be in a good mood. Usually people are in good moods when they drink, but not me. Usually people smoke cigarettes, and I don't. I'm one of a kind. I'm unique. You're never gonna see anyone like me in this world. Fuck. Fuck. I can't go until I finish this. Halfway, man. I still got a long ways to go. Shit. I don't fucking know, man. Jesus Christ. You know, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna have John stressing me out with fucking shorting me on my money. He's jipping me. Giving me a chintzy amount of money. Fucking crook. That's what he is a crook. I tell him you're a crook. He's a crook. Fucking backstabbing, fucking pirate, highway pirate. Backstabbing motherfucker. Okay, guys, I'm about to end this. I gotta finish this. Fuck life, and fuck being single, and fuck having no girls in your life, and fuck never having a girl or someone to caress and a companion and cuddle and fuck never having a cuddle buddy and having a girl to be with. Life sucks when you're alone. Your whole fucking existence. Fuck being miserable every fucking day. Fuck everything. Fuck religion too, and fuck education.